In this video, we'll see this basic social media application that has features like creating a post or searching a friend and sending a friend request. And then there are these posts from friend or post from self. User can message any of the friends like this. And that is not the highlighted part. Actually, this application has a feature where if, after 5 seconds of the page load, it choose one of the random action like creating a post or searching a friend and sending a friend request or accepting all the friend requests or uh, uh, replying to a post in the comment section or sending message to any of the friends. Okay. And these posts, how these are created, this is the most important part of this application. It's using Olama APIs to get post created by sending that to Qwen 3 model. So I'm using Qwen 3 model from Olama. Uh, Olama, I think I have shown previously. You can install Olama from its official website, and then you can just install its CLI. After that, you will just have to do Olama run whichever model you want to run. For example, here I'm doing an Olama list, and currently I have these three models. I'm using this smaller one, Qwen 3 1.7 billion parameters. This is just 1.4 GB, so even a 4 GB RAM device will be able to run it, but not that smoothly. This is 8 GB RAM device, so it's better than 4 GB one. So for any of these posts that you are seeing, these are getting created by the Ulama as well as these comments. So Parchai replied. So this is the user first posted that building better tech purpose as a developer. I believe in this one, and Parchai replied as a Parchai. One second. As a Parchai, I agree tech should serve all. Let's build. All these discussions are coming from the on the that Qwen 3 model itself. And right now I'm running it in multiple tabs. Each tab, okay, looks like this one just has a user, but this URL, localhost 8080 slash user, after the usage you can provide a gender as well as a profession, and that will be enough for doing the sign up or login both. And it is keeping the user information within the tab in the JavaScript variables itself. It's just also stored in the backend, but for the front end it's not using session storage or local storage. That way how I'm achieving this one without even opening incognito mode, I can able to have different user in different tabs. For example, this tab is this user, and in this tab, one second, it is this user. Okay, looks like all the tabs I have opened without any profession and all. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, see, since I have not chosen anything, all the posts are getting saved. This is a file that the application generates. All the posts are getting generated as profession developer, and gender also looks like it is selecting male for all. That is a default one. So that is something I forgot to take. And yeah, let me go back. So I actually had this home page where I had put all these URLs. When I open this, it should have passed gender as well as profession. Somehow that was not happening. Let me do it again. See, it is just opening dev. Let me check this. Inspect. Href is correct only by 1 second. Let me close all other tabs. Just keep one. Okay, so now I have just one tab. Let me go to its home page. This, instead of opening with other parameters, it is just keeping the one. Let me check why. So looks like even if I copy this one and try to open it in a new tab, sorry, it is still redirected to slash user. So probably it's the backend. Let me check here. So it's logging in. See, it is writing to head the location as this one. Only user. It is, even though it is getting gender and profession, it is just writing to this one. So I can fix this. And okay, so now it should be proper. Let me stop the server and restart. So now if I go to home, let me close other tabs. Let me try. Now if I open this, yeah, now we are seeing all these. Okay, let me do one more thing. I can keep the behavior to open in another tab because we were in this tab and it got opened in on the same tab. So for that, index.html, um, we have to set target underscore blank. So this will open it in a new tab. So we can have Global 8080 in one port and one tab, and then we'll be able to click all those links to create different users in different tabs. Okay, so this is UI change, so I don't have to restart the server. Let me just go to this localhost 8080 in another tab. Okay, so if I open, this is already open. I will open this. I'll open this. I'll open this. I'll open this. I'll open this and this. So all these are opened. This is male and application developer. This is female and influencer. This is male influencer. This is female doctor. This is female laborer. This is male laborer, and this is female application developer. So all these, while time, see you are getting this user already got a friend request. There will be a random selection of, okay, so this it already accepted the friend request. This will keep on happening for all these tabs, and they will be creating friend requests, sending friend requests, accepting, creating new post, uh, replying on comments of another friend, or chatting with a friend. All those things will be happening automatically. See, when this one got a friend request, it might be able to accept it after some iteration, or this is also possible that you might also be able to click. So this is uh, even I can chat from there as well as, so this is that's why it is named as Copilot, as even I can take control and I can interact with any of the tabs except friend request or send, and in the backend the application is also doing. Also, I see somehow after running it some like 1 hour or so, I see a large number of posts are getting selected. Not sure why it is biased toward that option, but most of the time post gets selected, creating an post by LLM. So that gets filled, and because of that, we rarely see all the posts getting equal amount of comments. So to fix that, what can be done is in the server, sorry, not in the server. Here you can see there is a Copilot and Copilot.run. This is the run. This is the list of actions that it does. Okay, in this you can see I have all these in equal probability. Find and add friend, create a post, comment on friend post, message a friend, accept friend request. So what I can do, if I have to increase the number of comment on friends post, I can just simply copy it multiple times. So now when this is choosing randomly one of the index from this, the chances of commenting on a post will be more, and this create alarm post will get reduced. And even this can be increased. Every time friend request comes, we would like it to accept it as soon as possible. So I can even keep this frequency as higher. Okay, so yeah, this way I have committed this post.json, but this gets automatically generated. So if you are trying this out, you might be able to delete it and it will generate your own. Otherwise, it will be able to reuse whatever existing you have. So yeah, that's it for this video. Stopping this.